Hello my darling Fumi Nation, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold and we have an exciting episode this Wednesday. Yes, we do. It is another hygiene episode, how I brush my teeth and how I whiten my teeth. Because my darlings, you have told me so many times in the comments below, Fumi, how do you get rid of bad breath? It is also one of my pet peeves. I had to pause on it because halitosis is something that is just, it's not welcoming. The second you open your mouth, you just retreat. You fall all the way back. And you're like, you know, Jonathan, I will talk to you later. Or you give Jonathan a mint. It's just a situation where OMG, it's really hard to keep up with the conversation. Having said that, I do understand. And I have empathy for those that have bad breath. Even for those that have BO, I kind of sort of get it. Sometimes it's a challenge, it's a struggle. Why do we have bad breath? For a whole bunch of reasons. One of them being if you have a cavity. If you have a cavity in your tooth, you get food that is deposited in there and it becomes stale, it begins to smell, and it begins to erode your tooth. That can be bad breath. Naturally, of course, if you eat certain foods, it's gonna give off bad breath. I am an onion lover, so I make sure I have my itty bitty portable toothpaste and my toothbrush in my bag so that I can brush my teeth afterwards. You will be amazed after having any kind of meal. Rinse your mouth and just spit it out in the sink. You'll be amazed at how much food comes out. Little bits and pieces. And it's so important for you to rinse your mouth because you get stuff stuck in your teeth. You have to floss, you have to do all of that. So today I'm going to show you what I use. We're gonna brush our teeth. Yup. And I will also show you how I whiten my teeth. All right, first up, baby girl, boys, mouthwash, darlings, stuff that will help get rid of that bad breath for a solid minute. We have here Fresh Effect. Yes, this is Wisdom Fresh Effect Total Care, and it is an antibacterial wash, helps fight bacteria, helps prevent cavities and decay, helps to strengthen tooth enamel, helps reduce plaque and tartar, helps maintain healthy gums, freshens breath. These are all the things you want to look for in a mouthwash. It does not matter, you can use any brand, but what I've listed off is things that you want to read so that it prevents bad breath. I have another one here, Listerine teeth and gum defense. Yes, my darlings, same thing with fluoride for stronger teeth, reduces plaque and even works below the gum line for stronger teeth and healthy gums. This flavor, what is fresh mint? Now you can have a generator toothbrush, yep, or you can have a manual. It's entirely up to you. I use both. I love this. It really gets it in there. Okay, thank you. Oh my God. He's more excited than me. Then, my darlings, woo, you're gonna love this. This, my darlings, is a tongue cleaner. I have used this for about 7 years. It is everything. Why a tongue cleaner for me? Because that's your landing pad. A toothbrush, I found personally, if I put a toothbrush to the back of my tongue, and you'll see when I brush my teeth, I feel like gagging all the time because it's high in there. By the time you get into the back, you feel like gagging. This goes all the way in the back. All the way in the back, and you can brush that tongue and get everything, the sides and everything. Fantastic. This is Aura brush. Let me just show you because I always have spare. It is Aura brush right here, tongue cleaner, and it says it right there, helps to cure bad breath because you have a lot on the tongue. I brush my teeth in the mornings, I brush my teeth during the day, I brush my teeth at night, I have a bath at night. I can't. It's almost as if I go to bed with food in my mouth. That is how I feel without brushing my teeth. It is physically impossible. I will not enjoy my sleep. I just won't. I won't enjoy sleeping because I feel as if I've got food in my mouth and I have sand in between my toes, and I just don't feel clean. I have to scrub, I have to wash off all of the makeup that I have on and everything, wash my hands, moisturize, hydrate, get myself together with and you know what I'll do a bedtime routine. I'm figuring out as we speak how I'm going to show you how I have my bath without showing you too much. Yes, I'm going to show you how I scrub my feet and everything, because for me, hygiene is number one. Hygiene is before makeup. I have to feel clean. I have to be clean. That gives me confidence. I have to have it. And this, my darling, this tongue cleaner, life, and it even has bristles. Let me just show you. There you go. It has bristles on top for the tongue. This, my darling, is magique. Then of course we've got floss. I've got the traditional floss, the long floss where you pull one out, hold it between your finger and go in. Aha. Go. Yeah. And you go. Okay? Floss. Just get all the gook out. You can also have dental sensitive. I love this. Easy peasy. Look. I go in and pull it all out, all the gook. See? That's it. It works. I have this one as well, which is absolutely fabulous. You just peel it back, put some in your bag when you're going. Beautiful, like a little zing. And it goes in the water and it cleans all the teeth. There you go. You know? Ah, yes. That is what I do. And of course, my darlings, more than anything, you have what? You've got breath spray. You've got so many things out there. You've got so many things out there for bad breath. And if that's not bad enough, and I use all of these Listerine tabs. What are Listerine tabs for me? Whole mouth clean and fresh on the go. You can chew, you can swallow them, you can swish them around. It means that it's just like gum. And again, of course, you can use chewing gum. Wrigley's chewing gum is my favorite. I love the white, I love the green, I love the yellow, I love them all. The juicy fruit, fabulous. You have all of these things, my darlings, and you have good old because it helps as well. You have your toothpick to get food particles out, because food is a huge part of bad breath. Think about food that gets bad. Can you imagine that in your mouth? Like ooh-ah, ooh-ah, ooh-ah. So that is what I do to clean my teeth, okay? These are all the things that I use to clean my teeth. We are going to brush our teeth, but before that, how do you whiten your teeth, Fooms? I have two ways. Dial a Smile from GERARD Cosmetics is fantastic. Use my discount code FUMI for this. This pumped up the volume, especially during lockdown, because I couldn't go to get my teeth professionally bleached. This one worked. It has the entire kit inside, as you can see, and it gives you, I'll show you, I'll open it up for you. You have the guard, there you go. You have the guard, you have the gel, you have the bite, you have everything in here that will help to really brighten up your teeth. This is by GERARD Cosmetics, and I thought, what a fantastic idea. They sent it to me during PR, and I thought, you know what, let me just try this. And I was beyond amazed. I will say this here and now. Every beauty company should have a teeth whitening kit, because it is part of the fabulosity. Part of the fabulosity. I cannot tell you how many times you guys have said, Fumi, I love your teeth. I love your eyes. That's another episode. Nice, bright, white. I'm in my 50s and I'm loving being in my 50s because I'm so much more smarter, so much more confident. That took a while, but I maintain myself and I do have what you call upkeep. You have to keep up looking fresh. I don't mind the lines. I really will embrace them. I don't mind being a little bit bigger. I've embraced that will come with age. And if I work out and if I keep myself healthy, I will look good for my age. And part of it is having healthy, lovely, nice, gorgeous manicured nails, having beautiful white teeth, and just keeping yourself maintained. You got to clean your teeth because it will take the age off of you like no other. I bleach my teeth. I go to Dr. Kev. Dr. Kev is a fantastic dentist. Ula goes to Kev. I go to Kev. Even baby Paduski goes to Kev for a little cleaning because he's almost 3 now and he maintains the family. I've been going to Dr. Kev for about 7 years and I am so happy to tell you this is his brand, Bond Dental, that I have a discount code for you. For those of you that are in England, you go to him and he will give you 20% off Fumi teeth. And I'll show you clips because I put it on my Instagram stories, on my Instagram profile to show that I go on an update. He has what they call a tooth guard. This is my tooth guard. He will take an x-ray of your teeth. These are my exact teeth of up and down. You put in, and these are the whitening. You have the whitening for the day. You have the whitening for the night. Do it 7 days for a week. When I tell you, when I have an event and I want to look fabulous, splash out, I go for this. So let me open it for you. It is so simple. These are the syringes. You just put it in the guard, place it on, and because they are catered to exactly how your mouth is, they are comfortable. They are what for me? They are comfortable. So go to Kev. If you are in England or you travel into London and you want to get your teeth done, cleaned, whitened, Dr. Kev at Bond Dental is the best dentist that I have ever had. He is such a nice guy. And apart from whitening teeth, he will correct all the broken teeth. That's what he's done for me as well. He will remove your colored fillings and give you white fillings. Ha 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 ha. Your teeth will be straightened. He did that for Ula. He will do everything for you. The whitening is very cosmetic because you want to look fabulous, you want to look flash, yes. And he is one of the best. My gums don't irritate me. My teeth are not brittle. My teeth are not sensitive. Bond Dental is the dude to go. Okay? Yes. So there you have it, my darlings. I have shown you what I use to remove bad breath if I have it, and also how I whiten my teeth. I love my home kits because it's convenient for me as a mother with a toddler. I wore my makeup for your benefit, but we are going to go in now where I take off the lipstick and we're going to what? We're going to brush our teeth. I show you how I brush my teeth. I have my bathroom cup here. I'm going to pour in some Listerine. Yes. That's what I do. All right. I have Colgate. And this, my darlings, is the Cool Crystal Gel. I'm going to use the manual toothbrush. For those of you that don't have, you know, the generated toothbrush. Okay. Rinse. Then I take my tongue cleaner. There we go. And that's it, guys. Your mouth will be sparkling. You have to get the tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth, brush the back at the bottom, brush it on the outside as well, on the outside of both. Then go onto the roof of your gum, yes, and brush it all off. Go on the inside and brush. Go on the other side and brush. Go upstairs right here in the back and brush. Brush it all. Brush every angle that you can, and then you rinse out. And that is it, my darlings. This is how I maintain hygiene when it comes to my teeth. This is how I maintain hygiene when it comes to bad breath. I brush my teeth every morning, every single night. And sometimes during the day, when I feel that, you know what, I'm going for a lunch and I love seafood, I love my lobster, I love my crabs, I love onions, I will go in and I will definitely have my chewing gum, my breath freshener, I will have my floss. I always have my floss, and that is how I do it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. All of the products, I will have them down below for you guys, but the game changer here is the tongue cleaner. The tongue cleaner, it takes it right in the back and gets it all out. Look at how clean my tongue is. Yes. And add a little gloss. That's what I always do. Because my lip gloss messes up. I don't mind. I have a little gloss and I'm good. So darlings, this is what you should do. If your friend or co-worker has bad breath, just tell them, you know what, let me get a little kit for you. Do you want a mint? Do you want some chewing gum, which always saves the day? But you want to eliminate bad breath? You do this. And you make sure that you are able to give them what? The tongue cleaner. Okay? All of my love, darlings. I hope you enjoyed the episode. And I will see you soon. Mwah.